Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up basic parental controls for Nintendo 2DS. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on our button in the top left corner of the screen, which is the home next to the wrench. Now let's scroll down. Click on the settings button. Now we'll enter the settings. Move to parental controls. Click set. Next. And if you forgot your PIN and the answer to your secret questions, you will be unable to remove parental controls restrictions without first obtaining a master key. So click OK if you're sure you want to set it up, and now you'll be able to choose the 4-digit PIN code. Enter the PIN code. Click OK. Now you need to confirm the same PIN code. Select the secret question, which will help you retrieve the parental control access if you forget the PIN code. Click OK. Now you can input the answer. So enter the answer. Click OK. OK. You can register email if you want. And here you can set up which restrictions you will lock for a specific thing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.